We were running through the quiet streets, chasing echoes, chasing dreams. Every moment felt like gold, even stories left untold. We were young inside the light, didn't fear the fall of night. Time was just a distant sound. We were never looking down. Now I hear those voices call from the shadows of it all. These are the days of our life, falling soft and fading by, like the sand in open hands. We don't see where it